I'm recapping my Junk Journal Madness guest collaborator series by recapping the videos that I've done as a Junk Journal guest collaborator with Susan of I Turtly Love It. Thanks for subscribing to our channels and leaving comments to let us know what our videos have inspired you to create. The two videos that I just finished are flip-throughs of this junk journaling mixed media junk journal project. There's a narrated flip-through and a flip-through set to music. In addition to those, there are 13 art tutorials describing the mixed media process, techniques, and ideas used in this fun junk journal. Some highlights from this Junk Journal Madness collaboration are the art tutorials about constructing the journal itself, the one about how to make altered paper clips, including how to make hidden paper clips where you can't even see the paper clip at all, and of course the intro video where I brainstorm about ways to interpret the theme cornucopia of gratitude. So including the flip-throughs and this video right now, there are 16 total videos about this awesome project. Thanks so much for checking them out and junk journaling with me. I'm Kathleen Arola-Johnson of Creative Solace Studios. Have a creative day.